degree north to 5 degrees south. Yes, sun rays or sun insolation are vertical or near to the vertical throughout the year. Due to high heating, the warm air and warm moisture convecting upward. By moving upward, it creates what? By moving upward, what it creates? Large amount of what? Pressure. And with respect to this, at the polar region, there is a very low pressure. And therefore, the wind started moving toward the respective poles. And by reaching 25 to 35 degree north latitude and south latitude, they started deflecting towards completely right and become parallel to isobar. Left, here it is a right, here it is a left, become parallel to isobar. It is known as a geostrophic wind, and it is also known as, yes, tell me, subtropical jet stream, or it is also known as upper westerlies, and it is moving with a speed of around 200 to 300 km per hour. After becoming heavy enough, they started descending down, and after descending down, it creates a subtropical high pressure belt. And when it has been able to create subtropical high pressure belt, so comparatively other region has what? Other region has what? Low pressure. So the one part of the wind started moving towards equator, and then in the northern and southern hemisphere, and that become northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind. Understood it? And meeting at equator, and that completes in a what? Hadley sail. That completes. Other part started moving towards what? Polar region, in the form of warm westerlies. In the form of, जब भी westerlies बोले तो warm बोलेंगे. Understood? क्योंकि वो colder zone में जा रहा है. Warm westerlies. And from the thermally originated polar region as in a high pressure, polar high pressure. And then the wind from the polar high pressure started moving towards the equator, but deflected towards right in the northern hemisphere, left in the southern hemisphere, become polar westerlies, and it is in a cold air, therefore it is known as cold polar westerlies. This cold polar westerlies and warm westerlies having contrasting nature. Having what? And their discontinuities are in the form of temperature, pressure and humidity. Therefore, they do not, during the convergence, mix together, they stop. And they say, who are you? And that is the stationary front banta. And there is a formation of front and followed by formation of temperate cyclone, and the warm air started rising up and created a low pressure on the ground that is becoming dynamically originated subpolar low pressure, and the rising air by reaching in the upper atmosphere creates up what? High pressure. And then one part moved towards the subtropical jet stream and completed what? Ferrel cell. Another moved towards polar region, that in the form of polar vortex they started what? Descending over the poles. Understood it? Clear है? अब आपको स्पेसिफिकली कई चीजों को जानना. फर्स्ट, अब हम लोग चल रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं. We'll have to understand trade winds. Primary wind, and that is, first I said that trade wind, and it is what? Northeast. And which one I said that? इसको कैसे आप डिफाइन करोगे? आता है ना डिफाइन करने? From the, it is in a, ऐसे लिखोगे, it is in a part of Hadley cell. बोलोगे? Yes or not? It is in a part of, किसका part है? Yes, tell me. Part of Hadley cell. And it is moving from subtropical high pressure belt to, it is moving from subtropical high pressure belt to, yes, equatorial low pressure belt. Yes, first character. In the under Coriolis force. Which force? Under Coriolis force, the wind moving from subtropical high pressure to equatorial low pressure deflected towards right become what? deflected towards right become northeast wind, and deflected towards left in the southern hemisphere, deflected towards left in the southern hemisphere, and that become what? Southeast wind. अभी इनको ट्रेड नहीं बोल रहा हूं. They become what? Northeast wind, and but throughout the year these winds are maintaining the same track. Throughout the year maintaining same track. Therefore it is known as yes, tell me, known as northeast track. Same track को बोला जाता है trade. Generally लोग बोलते हैं कि this wind is helping in the trade. That is completely wrong. I said that they are throughout the year maintaining the same track. यदि आप देखोगे ये wind ऐसे move करते रहता है always. This is northeast trade wind. This is what? Southeast trade wind. They will move always in the same format. And और सपोज सन जब इधर ऊपर आ गया तो यहाँ पर हीटिंग हो जाएगी, तो ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड साउथ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड क्रॉस करके डिफ्लेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स राइट, और वो अभी भी उसी ट्रैक को फॉलो कर रहा है जिसको नॉर्थ ईस्ट आ रहा था. सो थ्रू आउट द ईयर दे फॉलो द, समझ में आ रहा है? सो आई सेड दैट थ्रू आउट द ईयर दे फॉलो द सेम ट्रैक. और जो पॉइंट जहां पे मिलता है, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई सेड दैट पॉइंट ऑफ convergence of northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind is known as what? ITCZ. The point of convergence, better to say what is the transitional zone between northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind is known as ITCZ. Clear? तो हम लोग किसके बारे में जान रहे? यस टेल मी. ट्रेड विंड. अंडरस्टूड? प्राइमरी विंड पैटर्न, दिस इट इज नॉन एज प्राइमरी विंड और प्लैनेटरी विंड और परमानेंट विंड. ये जितने विंड हम लोग कर रहे हैं दैट इज प्राइमरी विंड, प्लैनेटरी विंड और परमानेंट. दिस इज क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इट इज वेस्टर्लिस. और ये वेस्टर्लिस, यस, ये किधर से किधर मूव करता है? वेस्टर्लिस इफ यू रिमेंबर, सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट टू सब पोलर लो प्रेशर बेल्ट. यस, सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट टू, यस और नॉट? सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट टू सब पोलर. इधर तो साउथ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, और ये क्या हो गया आपका? याद है ना? फिगर याद है या नहीं याद है? सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट टू, so it is moving from subtropical high pressure belt to, just tell me, subpolar low pressure belt. Understood? Clear? Under Coriolis force it deflected towards right, and in the northern hemisphere left, and it become what? Westerlies, and it also become westerlies. So westerlies, this is an what, and यहाँ पे क्या है? सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट, and there is an, I said that subpolar low pressure belt. The westerlies are moving like this, yes, और ये trade wind ऐसे north east trade wind south east, so westerlies are moving like this, और ये equatorial low pressure belt, and again I said that this is what? Subtropical high pressure belt, and this is subpolar. तो ये तो south east trade wind, और ये क्या होगा आपका? Westerlies. Yes. In the northern hemisphere, when the westerlies are moving, there is an uneven what? Distribution of land mass and water body. Uneven distribution of what? Land mass and water body, therefore the westerlies will be putting an obstruction by the land mass. So they are not able to move what is the speed that they can gain. But in the southern hemisphere, what is happening? They are moving into the large open ocean. So this wind keep on accelerating. This wind is keep on accelerating at 40 degree. यहाँ पे नहीं, at 40 degree जिसको आप लोगों ने सुना होगा roaring 40s, it becomes, and at 50 degree latitude it becomes furious 50s. The speed keeps on accelerating. And at 60 degree latitude, by reaching, it becomes shrieking 60s. Shrieking means chikhta hua. It's keep on accelerating. So this is not in the northern hemisphere, only it is in the southern hemisphere. The westerlies are 3 names in the southern hemisphere, not in the northern hemisphere. Is it okay? So southern hemisphere, which are the name? Roaring 40s, furious 50s, shrieking 60s. और जनरली बच्चों का होता है ये आइडिया कि वेस्टर्लीज के लिए है, ये वेस्टर्लीज के लिए नहीं है, इट इज वेस्टर्लीज इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. जनरली स्टूडेंट लिख देते हैं इन द वेस्टर्लीज और आप सोचते हो आई शुड गेट द मार्क्स, बट वी आर नॉट मेंशनिंग इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट द मार्क्स. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, विच सी सरफेस, ये मुझे बताओ, इट इज पुटिंग द फ्रिक्शन ऑन इट, दिस सी सरफेस under the westerlies या this sea surface under the westerlies will have more friction, southern और northern? अरे स्पीड ज्यादा होगा तो क्या होगा? They will give more friction. देगा कि नहीं more friction? More friction की वजह से इस सी वाटर का टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? इसके कंपैरिजन में इस सी वाटर का टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? लेस. ओशियनोग्राफी में आप क्या देखेंगे? This region will have what? Less, yes, temperature. This region will have what? यदि इसका, if I said that I said that 20 or something like this, or 15 to 20, it will be 2 degrees Celsius. No? The reason behind friction provided by what? Roaring 40s, furious 50s and shrinking 60s. और friction से क्या बढ़ता है? Temperature. Temperature से evaporation और salinity, salt. So this region has more salinity in comparison to the same in the northern hemisphere. जो कि आप लोग oceanography पढ़ेंगे. The distribution of what? Salinity in the world. So in which region there will be what kind of salinity? जो over the period समझेंगे. Understood it? So I said that westerlies. Westerlies क्या हो गया? It is in northern hemisphere or it is southern hemisphere. So it will remain westerlies, but in the southern hemisphere it will become, yes, at 40 degree latitude roaring 40s, 50 degree latitude furious 50s and 60 degree latitude shrieking, चिखता हुआ shrieking 60s. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है वेस्टर्लीज का. अंडरस्टूड? और आपको पता होगा क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है वेस्टर्लीज के मिलने से ही क्या होता है? फ्रंट एंड टेम्परेट साइक्लोन. वो बाद में आप लिखेंगे. सो दिस मच इट इज क्लियर? यस. Thereafter I said, which wind? Polar easterlies. Cold polar easterlies. And that is coming from polar high pressure to, yes, tell me, subpolar low pressure. Under Coriolis force deflected towards right and left. In the southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, it become what? Polar easterlies. Polar easterlies. This much. धीरे धीरे आप प्राइमरी विंड पैटर्न के बारे में और यू विल कीप ऑन नोइंग मोर because you are knowing till now up to this. Yes or not? What is the primary wind, trade wind pattern? Yes. And then we have been able to see westerlies and I said that cold polar easterlies. Further आपको थोड़ा सा value और पढ़ाना होगा 40-50 portion so that you can write more about it and more knowledge can be there. Understood it? So इसको अभी स्टॉप करते हैं क्योंकि फर्दर कोई भी मैं अभी मुझे इसी में कौन सा लेना है 3 सेक्शन प्रेशर बेल्ट्स and another we have to take I said that Hadley cell का दोबारा Farrell cell का pressure belts लेने के बाद again will come for the new form and then pressure belts का लेने से पहले I'll discuss with you some kind of what is an adiabatics concept dry adiabatic saturated adiabatic and all different kind of concepts तो मैं वहाँ पे पोलार वोर्टेक्स को भी समझाते चलूँगा एंड साथ में जहाँ जहाँ विंड डिसेंड हो रहा है दैट इज ना adiabatic compression and where the wind is moving up adiabatic expansion. Okay? So tomorrow we'll start with this and whatever the questions I am giving you read it. और कल एंड उसके बाद आप लोगों को बुकलेट में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी दिया हुआ है then you started covering along as the topics are going on. Understood? तो आप लोग ये 3 क्वेश्चन जो मैंने दिया है बिफोर द हैडली सेल you have to write. Okay? वो आप लोग लिखना and I have given an idea if it is 10 marks 3 paragraphs at least and जब एग्जाम में आप लिखें तो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन ध्यान में रखें फिगर के साथ एक पैरा लिख रहे हो आप तो यहाँ पर ब्लैक पेन के साथ जो छोटा सा फिगर बनाएं whether it is in the GS यहाँ पर एक फिगर बनाएं and when you are keep on writing the one figure you draw this side and यहाँ पर and then आप फिर लिख रहे हैं तो पॉसिबिलिटी है तो थर्ड फिगर and it look तो चाहे यदि आपने अच्छे से राइटिंग स्किल कर लिया नॉलेज आ गया एंड देन यू कैन बी एबल टू क्लियर दिस एग्जामिनेशन इन अ ईयर इटसेल्फ अंडरस्टूड इट्स नॉट एन टू लॉन्ग प्रोसेस और आज भी कई बच्चे फाइट इसीलिए कर रहे हैं नॉलेज कहीं कहीं गड़बड़ाते हैं बट दे आर फाइटिंग फॉर द